Wake up, really gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up.
So hey guys, welcome back to the channel today. As you can see, I'm using a ready-made pattern that I already drafted before to try and recreate this top right here. So this is something I was doing for the first time, and I decided to just share a behind the scene vlog with you guys. This is not a sewing tutorial, it's just a sew along with me, but I'm sure you're going to get one or two things from seeing me sewing this together.
Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up.
So you can see I actually made it longer, this center front. I just added some more to the center front so that it's longer. Then I'll add some more to this side, so I'll be able to get that curve here. So I'm just going to also do this, but I'll make it longer than it would normally be, so that I'll be able to do that stuff right there. So let's see this. This is the side obviously.
Head full of flies, so here come the clouds. They'll never stop unless I can swap all the bad for the good in my head when I'm lost. Yeah, so I'ma fake it till I make it. Positive thoughts are overtaken, I got patience. One day at a time is how you operate a cadence.
So this is the other side. I hope you can see it. So this is my side pattern. I added some to it as well. We're going to cut away from it actually later. This is my first time making something like this, and honestly it would have been best if I drafted a whole new pattern for this, but I don't know why I'm so lazy today. I don't want to draft a new pattern, so I'm just making use of an old pattern that I have. So you see what it's looking like. Definitely I'll be able to manipulate it from here. So you can see, let me bring this camera closer for you guys to see. So you can see I've cut this particular one out and I made it longer here. So I made the center front really long, then this other one a little bit longer than what it is here. There's no special measurements to what I'm doing here. I'm just trying to recreate something from an old pattern that I had. So you can see this part is longer. I just measured the length I want the top to be and just use that to just add some more inches to this middle. So what this top is that it has something here, so I'll be able to cut it here to meet this point here, but it has to come something like this, you get? So I hope you understand. So that's why I added this part to it. So I'm done cutting this right now, and this is the back pattern as well. I'm yet to cut out the cup, so I'm just going to cut out all the cut pieces right now.
Step 1, wake up, really gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo. Set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 So life ain't easy, yo, I think there's a reason though. Ups and downs, just like every different season, yo. Sometimes I'm high, other times I'm barely breathing, though. I always gotta fight and hide from the demons, yo. Negative thoughts are poison, they rot. Head full of flies, so here come the clouds. They'll never stop unless I can swap all the bad for the good in my head when I'm lost. Yeah, so I'ma fake it till I make it. Positive thoughts are overtaken, I got patience. One day at a time is how you operate a cadence. A flow, you grow, you show yourself a foundation. Stay away from all the shit that causes temptation. I know that I like to do it cause it's sensation. I live my life in my head like a narration. Don't expect greatness, do my best, man, I'll take it. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, really gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, grow hard about what you wanna be. Step 4.
So guys, I just finished working on my cups and joining the front part of this, like all the bias, arranging all the bias, joining the front to the lining. And honestly, I was not expecting it to come out this good. That's why I didn't even start it off as a sewing tutorial. But look at what I'm having right now. Look at how cute this is. It's coming out so nice. You can see my cups are ready. They were actually ready-made cups, so you see what I have here. Very, very, very neat. I can't honestly wait to finish this because like I was not expecting it to come out this night. So these are all my boning casing here. So I'm just going to place my bonings, add this to the holes here, and then do the back and then finish this up.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo. Set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make
Guys, can we just take a moment to look at how beautiful this piece really came out? I can spot some of my mistakes in it actually, but then being my first time, I think this is actually absolutely amazing. It's so beautiful. I love how it came out. Everything is just really nice. I had to go all the way to look for someone who has a mannequin to just place it on it so that you guys will be able to see how it looks. You can imagine how beautiful this is. So there was someone who was asking how I set up for my tutorials. I just wanted to quickly put this into this. This is basically it. So I have this table right here, right? So I have like an extension under that place. I'm sorry everywhere is scattered because I just finished filming. So I have my extension there, and I normally put my sewing machine here when I go off to sew. So my sewing machine is on the ground right now. So when I finish showing you guys what I want to show you guys, I put my machine back on the table and just do what I want to do. So this is where this is my ring light. This is where I hold my phone. So you can see it actually has 3 spots for my phone to stand, but I just prefer to use this one in the middle. So that's the one I use. Then it just goes straight. I would normally put it on, but because I'm making a video right now, it will just affect the lighting of this video. So the work I'm doing will be here. Disregard that. I'm actually working on another stuff for hopefully next week. So I'm yet to finish that. Then I also have my iron here. So this is just basically it. This is how I set up. This is just my setup. Guys, I'm finally done with the top. Honestly, what I am seeing right now was not what I expected this top to be at all, because it was my first time making this type of top. That was why I didn't bother myself trying to film like a proper tutorial video for you guys. Like, look at how pretty this came out. Look at this, really nice. And then look at the back. Guys, can you see how pretty this is? So that's basically all for this. I know a lot of you will be asking for the tutorial of this top. I might film it. I might not film it, I'm not sure yet, but this is the final look of our top, and it's for a client. So thank you so much guys for watching this video today. Hope you enjoyed it. Let me know what you think about this top in the comment section and the video generally. If you're yet to subscribe, please hit on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. That will make me so happy. And guys, I'll see you in my next one.